So this one is just thoracic mobilization with a foam roller. I know a lot of you have probably seen this before, but I'll just do it for demonstration purposes in case you haven't. All we do is get a foam roller. You know, they're $5, $10. You can buy them from Amazon, Walmart, Walgreens, wherever, Shields, doesn't matter. This one's pretty short. You don't need anything really long. All we do is lay this on the ground. One of the things that we run into with mobilization with a foam roller is a lot of people can't relax enough. So the key to this one is to try to just let that body go, let that back relax as much as you can. I know it can be kind of difficult because you are probably in pain during this time, but just, you know, this is something you have to work on every single day. So once again, just flat on the ground, and all we're going to do is lean back on that foam roller. Me personally, I just kind of like to shake it out a little bit, let those arms hang down, let that neck hang down, and we're just gonna roll this back out. And we're gonna go, you know, I'm getting some pops right now with it. We're gonna go back and forth, you know, 15, 20 times. If you find any points that are really restricted or they just feel tight, let's say that I feel some restriction right here. I'm gonna hang out right here for 5 to 10 seconds, maybe work it back and forth just a little bit, go 1 or 2 segments down, do that again. You just go back and forth with it. You're just gonna play around with this, find those restrictions, kind of smash them, get them rolled out. Once again, hang out there for, you know, 30 seconds to a minute total. You don't really need to go over a minute of rolling out that mid back.